let's do some brow work with $1 billion brows, yeah? All right, I'm starting by brushing out the hairs with a clean spoolie and using the Raising Brows Liquid Precision Brow Pen to begin building the shape. In light back and forth motions, I fill in the gaps within the body and, of course, the tail because that's where I need the most help. The brow really starts to take shape here, so I move on to the front end where I use light vertical strokes for a feathered hair-like effect. I then finish by adding some definition to the bottom edge, running the pen in a light back and forth motion. That's the key here, ladies and gentlemen. Light pressure, light back and forth motions. Lastly, I'll set the hairs in place with the clear brow gel, running that all through the hairs to make sure that it's completely set and uniformed. And voila, baby's got brows. Thanks, BDB. Love y'all. Bye.